People who don't wanted dogs? What changed your mind? I never wanted a dog, but when my wife brought home a scruffy mutt from the shelter, I couldn't say no. We named him Max. At first, I ignored him, but Max followed me everywhere, wagging his tail. Slowly, he grew on me. We'd go for walks, play fetch, and he'd sleep by my feet while I worked. One day, I had a heart attack. I was home alone, collapsed on the floor. Max started barking like crazy and ran to get my phone. He dropped it by my hand and licked my face until I called for help. The doctor said if Max hadn't been there, I wouldn't have made it. Now, he's my best buddy, and he still sleeps by my feet. I can't imagine life without him. Funny how the dog I never wanted ended up saving my life and becoming family.